Everyone is talking about big things like Avatar 3, but something slipped through quietly that could be just as exciting for drone fans. In a behind-the-scenes video shared by Igor Bogdanov, drone expert Jasper Ellens spotted something unexpected. A new drone that does not match any current model from DJI. It shows up only for a moment. But Jasper paused the frame and zoomed in, and what he saw looked like a prototype of a new drone, most likely the DJI Neo 2. It had top-mounted batteries and bold white labels that hinted it's still in testing. But what really caught the eye were the double-stacked propeller guards. This design is very different from the first Neo, and that might mean DJI is taking a new approach with this one. Rumors are already spreading fast, and many believe the Neo 2 will bring better flight time, a new camera sensor, and smarter flying modes. So let's take a closer look and see why the DJI Neo 2 might be a game changer. Jasper Ellens has leaked several DJI products in the past and has built a strong track record. So when he says the DJI Neo 2 might launch later this year, it gets attention. The early footage shows a drone that's clearly not final, but has some big hints about what's coming first. Let's talk about the design. The Neo 2 has two chunky batteries mounted on the top. That's not something we've seen before from DJI. They usually keep the battery tucked underneath or on the back, so this change could mean better weight balance, or maybe more efficient cooling. The double-stacked propeller guards also suggest a shift in how DJI wants this drone to fly. These guards look built for stability and might help in windy conditions or close quarters flying. Now about the flight time, the first DJI Neo gave about 18 minutes of airtime, which was solid for its size. But the Neo 2 is expected to push that to 20 or even 25 minutes. That's a big improvement, especially if DJI keeps it under the 250-gram limit. Staying under that limit is important, because it means you don't need extra registration or licenses in most places. So longer flights without the extra rules is a win for everyone. The camera is also getting a possible upgrade. Leaks say we could see a 1.3-inch sensor. This would make a huge difference for people shooting in low light or trying to capture sharp detail. A larger sensor brings in more light, so your shots come out clearer and more colorful even during cloudy days, or golden hour AI features might be coming too. These are the smart flight modes that help you follow subjects, fly in patterns, or create cinematic shots with little effort. Some of these features have been seen in higher-end drones, like the Air 3 or Mavic 4, but seeing them in a smaller drone like the Neo 2 would be a great move. There's also talk about a new video signal system. It might be a stripped-down version of DJI's O4 tech or a faster Wi-Fi system, whatever it is. It's expected to help with smoother video transmission and more stable control over longer distances. That means better footage and less delay when flying. When we compare the Neo 2 to DJI's other rumored drone, the DJI Flip, we see they're made for different users. The Flip is meant to be foldable, light, and super portable, good for casual flying and travel shots. But the Neo 2 is built for people who want performance without jumping into high-end pricing. It's for the user who wants features and strong flight power. But in a smaller form, the original Neo already had a good reputation among mid-range users. If DJI keeps that same idea and adds these new features, it's easy to see the Neo 2 becoming a top pick in its class. There's more coming too. Leaks say DJI might launch the Mini 5 along with the Neo 2. That's rare because DJI usually spaces out its releases. The Mini 5 is for entry-level pilots, but launching them together shows that DJI might be planning a big refresh for its whole small drone lineup. So what does this mean for you? If you already have the Neo and you're happy with what it does, then you might not need to upgrade right away. It's still a strong performer. But if you're someone who wants longer flights, better photos, and smart new tricks, then waiting for the Neo 2 could be a smart choice. DJI seems to be hitting all the right notes in 2025, and the Neo 2 could be one of the best things they drop this year. From the looks of it, it's not just a small update. It could be a whole new direction for how DJI handles mid-range drones, and with so many changes and new tech being teased, it's hard not to get excited. We'll be keeping a close eye on more leaks and updates as they come. And if everything we're hearing turns out to be true, the DJI Neo 2 might just become one of the most popular drones in its class. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be more than just an upgrade. It feels like DJI is rethinking what a mid-range drone should be, with longer battery life, a stronger camera, and new flying features. This drone could hit the sweet spot for people who want more, but still want something simple. to fly, the double-stacked prop guards and top-mounted batteries show that DJI is trying something new. They're not just reusing old ideas, they're creating a new kind of tool for creators and hobbyists. If the rumors are true and this drone gets smart flight modes plus a better sensor, it could give you the power to capture amazing shots without spending too much or carrying something huge. Whether you're new to drones or just looking for a good upgrade, the DJI Neo 2 might be exactly what you need. It's lightweight, but loaded with features. And if it really comes out later this year, it could be one of the most exciting drones of 2025. Thanks for watching and staying with us here on Factic. If you want more drone updates and easy-to-follow reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us again next time. We'll keep flying forward and bringing you the latest news on everything that takes to the skies.